Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can make graphs and shapes in your sheets on Google Sheets, snap to grid lines or do not snap to grid lines in your documents. So let us get started here on Google Sheets. So despite the information guys by Google AI, Google Sheets actually does feature a snap to grid feature for cells, or at least for graphs. Let me show you where you can find that one. So you will need to insert or place a graph or shape first. As you can see, I added a curved line like this. To do that, navigate to Insert, hover your mouse or click into Drawing here, and place a drawing. Any drawing you like. So let me go, for example, with a simple shape like, I don't know, a rectangle with a curved, with round corners or something like this here. And what you want to do next, guys, is click into Actions in the top left. Then you will see the option Snap To at the bottom, and as you can see, you can choose between Grid and Guides. So if you switch to Grid, click into Save and Close, it may snap to, the given object may snap to, as you can see, the grid lines like this. So for example, you will see the line here indicating of the snapping like this, right? So you can use these red lines here for orientation and to see if the given shape snaps to those grid lines or not. But of course you can change these settings as well to snap to grid instead of guides, right? And yeah, as you can see, it's different now. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.